Hello, I am Kush Kumar Patel, and today I present my Tableau work. First of all, we open the Tableau and select the text file and select the data which can be performed. Here I select the clean superstore data, but original our faculty give a superstore data set 2090 to 2022, and I already my this data set clean in a Excel sheet. That's why I give the name is a clean net superstore data set, and I select this data set and load in Tableau. And we after that we can see the different fields: order id, order date, shipment, customer name, segment, postcode, states, product name. And here we can see that 24 fields and 9993 rows, but in original we have 21 fields. So there are three other fields is which is I make in a Tableau: profit bin, quantity bin, and sales bin. First we select the first sheet and I give their name sales distribution. In sales distribution, first of all we select the cells and drag into column, and after that we number of data and select this data and drag into rows. After that select the cells and right click on the cells and select the create and select the bins. So we can see that I create a cells bin. So in columns we can cancel the original cells and select this cells bin and drag into column. Uh, and original cells we can drag into this color, so we can see that the difference between the cells increase and decrease. The highest cell is 13 lakh 6,750, and the lowest cell is 93,752. After that, I make a second sheet: profit distribution. The profit distribution, I select the first of all the profit and drag into a column, and number of data and drag into rows. After that, select profit and click on the right side, and we create the bin. It's a profit bin, so we cancel the here the profit and drag into a profit bin into column. And we also drag the profit into color and the label, so we can see that the labels, this is the labels. After the select this, and we can see that the colors difference. This show the which is the highest and which is the lowest. Highest is the 2,60,452, and lowest is um, minus 1,312. After that, make a third sheet: segment wise profit. First of all, segment wise profit, I select the mark and click on the mark side and select the pie chart. After select the pie chart, I drag the segment into color, profit into angle and size, also segment into a label, and profit into a label. So we can see that the three types: home office, consumer, and corporate. This is the segment which is divided into pie chart, and we can see that 21.6 percentage of home office, consumer is a 46.83 percentage, corporate is a 32.11. After that, I select the fourth sheet and I give their name as a quantity distribution, and I have a quantity distribution. First of all, I select the quantity and drag into column, and the second number of data I select and drag into rows. After that, I select the quantity and right click on the quantity and select create and make a bin. So I can make a third field is a quantity bin. So in column, I cancel the original quantity bin and select the original quantity and drag into a quantity bin in the column and the quantity bin into a color. So we can see the difference between the colors, which can so see which can we see the quantities, difference quantity. The 12, this is the lowest quantity, and these two are the highest in this chart. We see the quantity pane is a 1, 2, 3, 4, around the 14. After that, I make another sheet, univariate dashboard. In the univariate dashboard, I select the cells and drag into this dashboard, profit drag into this dashboard, segment wise and quantity distribution both are drag in this. And first of all, I select the size and increase this width, the height, and adjust it, so we can clearly see the four distribution, sales distribution, quantity distribution in this view zone. After that, I make a sales versus profit. And sales versus profit, I drag a sales into column and the profit into a rows, and category into the color, and eh, product into toolpick. This is the trade line, which can we see. Uh, in trade line, we can select the analyze and select the trade line and show the and select the show trade lines like this. Select the analysis trade line and show the trade lines, which is show the sales and profits. These are the three categories: the furniture, office supplies, and technologies. After that, I make discount versus profit. In discount versus profit, I drag a discount into column and profit into a rows and segment into a color. And this is the trade line, which is show the difference. And there are three segments. This is the home office. It's a profit 16,311 and discounted to 62.0. This is a corporate and profit is a 91,000 and discount is a 477. This is the consumer. Its profit is a 1,34,000 and the discount is 82. After that, I also we can call this area is a scatter plot. In scatter plot, we can easily see the profit and discount. After that, I make a category versus profit. In category versus profit, I drag a category in a color, profit in a column, and also second category is in the row. We can see the furniture, office supply, and technologies. We can clearly see the difference between the color wise. Furniture is the lowest, and the technology is the highest. In other the region versus cells, I make. So first of all, I drag a longitude in a column and latitude in a rows, postcodes in a color, and city, country, postcode, states also we drag in a detail, and the cells in a toolpick. We can clearly show the this is the United States map. We can see the different postcode and the cities, countries, and we can see the different cities, their postcode and the cells. This is the Grand Iceland country, United States, postcode is a 68801 and cells is a 16. And I make this map to select the going to in the mark and select click on the right click and select the map and make this the map. After that, make a trade line analysis. In trade line analysis, I drag a sales versus profit and discount versus quantity. Discount versus profit in both are dragged into this view. Now you can easily compare the both profits and discounts and sales easily. Also, I can adjust my width and length to in going to size and right click. After that, I make a last where is a multi. variate dashboard, multivariate dashboard. I drag a categories versus profit into here, and region versus sales drag in this area. Also, Sam, I adjust their size and length to in going to size and click on the right. This is my tableau work, which can I perform.